crafters. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. I'm on my way there, slowly getting there. You know how it is, but we're gonna get there. No worries, no worries. Well, my friends, today I'm here to do a happy mail share. Now this is gonna be a really quick video, but I just wanted to do a video and share and say thank you so much to my dear friend Rosie, who is Creative Wings here on YouTube, because she emailed me and told me that she is sent to make me a stamp, you guys. And I received this stamp and I opened up preliminary the package, but I wanted to show you guys these really cool stamps that she put on here. And you know I'm gonna save those because Christmas is what, like a second away already. And so you guys, super cute. Love that. So I'm gonna open this up, and we have the stamp, and we have a card here, which I gotta open. Let's see if I find something to open this. Oh my goodness. And Rosie sent me this lovely card, which I'm going to, aww, and another one. Yeah, I have two from you now. Hold on, let me pause it real quick. Let me get the other. I have previously received this one. This says, gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. And it's got another pretty quote in the back as well. And she sent this one, and it says, his name will be the hope of all the world. And it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. That's beautiful. So now I have two, and I'm going to hang them right here in front of me so I can read them every day for positive affirmations. But those of us that have faith already have our positive affirmations, right? So beautiful card. Let me just take a second to read that. Thank you, my friends. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Sometimes, you know, trying times, but we have to stay strong in the face of adversity. That's all we can do, right? So I appreciate that. Thank you. And my God, okay, whew, let me get to opening up this stamp and seeing. I'm so excited. This will be my first personalized stamp, you guys. Because I never know. I never really know. I see so many different variety of stamps. So many different ones. Oh, okay. Oh, how cute. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to stamp it out. It's really pretty. It's got like some flowers and a hummingbird. Oh my goodness, Rosie. Thank you. Hold on, let me get a piece of paper. Let me get a piece of paper. And let's stamp this out. Oh my goodness, this is coming in handy. You don't understand. At the right time. Because I'm making some cards for, well, I've been requested to make some cards for my husband's boss's wife. Because he loved the card that I made for him for his birthday, so now he wants me to make one for his wife's birthday. And I hate my handwriting because it's like I'm fighting with the paper, right? I'm fighting with the pen and the paper. So I don't like signing stuff. I don't like writing handmade notes. I hate it, actually. What does Carmen hate? She hates writing. There you go. So if you want to torture me, make me write an assignment. This. Oh my goodness, happy day crafts. Let's see how you look. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Let's do it again. Wait, little birdie, cover up, little birdie. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty and perfect. Perfect, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If anybody is interested in finding out more about those types of stamps, Ask Rosie. Look how pretty, you guys. Look how clear, how clean. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. It doesn't take up too much space. So when you stamp your things out, it's like perfect space. I can literally make little cards and just stamp them, which I might just do. This is really, really pretty. Thank you, Rosie, so much. I so greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate you, my friends. And thank you for your beautiful words, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And with that being said, my friends, I am full of gratitude and I trust. Have a good one, you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.